What happened? What happened?
No. You are going there with the way. What are you going to do? You are please, no one. Please, don't shoot me.
Sit down on the ground. Sit down on the ground. Sit down on the ground. Go down. Sit down on the ground now. Sit down.
Shoot me, please.
You know what I put
Sit down! No, don't kill me! Please, don't kill me.
So just drop your weapon now.
No.
Drop your weapon. No, sit down.
Drop the knife. No, don't shoot me, please. Drop the knife. I'm still in there.
You're not to drop the knife. I will get that one.
No, but that's all, man. You're just attack, man. You just take the hand, please.
Drop a knife. Sit down. Go down. Go down, Go down, Sit down.
Look at the shoot. If you don't shoot me. Please.
Oh, you check the police now?
No, just please.
Right. Go down.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, it look like we can't get a break. Look like the ladies them cannot get a break. What is really going on, guys? The ladies them can't get a break. On the 1st of April, a Jamaican man in Florida unalive his wife. Yeah, unalive his wife and say him can't take it no more. Now, a few days after, in Jamaica, a JDF soldier, Tyrone Williamson, unalive his common law woman. What is really going on in this world, or what is going on with our Jamaican brothers? Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I open and I feel no pain. If you are feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor or make the doctor come on you if you have the money. But if you don't worry yourself. We're going to make somebody come and carry you to the doctor, either your grandmother, your grandmother-in-law, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, or your uncle, or your cousin. Guys, happy Easter Sunday. Happy Easter weekend. If today your birthday, go out, have a nice time. Don't drink and drive. If you drink, don't drive. Get somebody to carry you home. If you take a taxi, take a picture of that taxi license plate and the vehicle. Guys, at your birthday party, you cook any food, help the have not. Guys. It's a few days ago in Florida, United States, a Jamaican man, a Jamaican brother, a Jamaican man unalive his wife because him couldn't take it no more. We don't know what him couldn't take no more, but domestic violence gone wrong. Guys, when we turn around a few days after that, in Jamaica, Manchester, cool Manchester to be in fact, a soldier, a JDF soldier, unalive his common law wife. Now, guys, the soldier is now the JDF soldier, which is his name is Tyrone Williamson is in police custody in Manchester. Now, guys, report indicated that the couple have been involved in an argument during which the woman reportedly expressed her intention of ending the relationship. Now, guys, listen to me, guys. You go into a relationship for it to work. If the relationship don't work, let the person go. I always say this. If you cannot afford to lose it, do not spend your money on it. Do not get involved with it. Leave it alone. If you cannot afford to lose it, leave it alone. This lady decided to end the relationship. During the dispute, the man allegedly took her phone, leading to a struggle between both man and woman. Investigators said the suspect later claimed he was influenced by a voice telling him to commit the act. Ay, 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 ay. Blame it on the rain, rain, rain. Blame it on the rain, rain, rain. Guys, listen to me, good. And I just have to say this. I am not perfect. None of us is perfect. The voice that tell you to do the act, to commit the act, why didn't that voice told you to not commit the act when you take a knife to inflicted wounds to this lady? He is accused of using a knife to fatally injure Dunkley. Guys, this lady name is Dunkley. Yeah, Dunkley. Let me give you her exact name. Tanasia Dunkley. So as we go on, during the dispute, this man allegedly took a knife, leading in a struggle between them. Investigation said that the suspect later claimed he was influenced by a voice telling him to commit the act. He is accused of using a knife to fatally injure Dunkley. Police also revealed that moments before the incident, the suspect instructed Dunkley 12-year-old daughter to go upstairs. So Dunkley passed away, leaving her 12-year-old daughter. So her 12-year-old daughter was at home while all this was happening. Why did you send her upstairs? I don't know. Sources say the man has already been questioned by detective and reportedly confessed. He is expected to be formally charged with murder either later that day or in the week. Guys, let us have a talk about domestic violence and domestic abuse. Love is nice. Love is something that we all wanted. Having a companionship is very important in our life, in some people's life, not everybody's life. What I'm about to say is just me being honest. I have been in relationship and woman decided to walk away, to come out of the relationship. I was a married man. Woman decided to go away. Woman decided, guys, I have one time, at one point, I went and saw a woman that I was taking care of. doing you know what. With another man, it was me. And what did I do? I walk away. I walk away and go back to my home. Not everybody can do that. I went back to my home, and for 3 days, I didn't see that lady one bit. I didn't call her. I didn't try to find out what happened. She was calling me. I didn't answer. And then she showed up at my house. And I explained to her what I saw. And I told her, once I saw that, that's it for me. She explained, she told me that's her kid dad and he forced her. And I says, I understand, but I'm okay. And I walk away. And here I am today. Not saying everybody have that kind of headspace. Not saying everybody have that kind of control. But listen to what I'm saying. You can walk away. I don't know anything about any vice that is talking to people. I don't know anything about that. I will not say it's a lie and I will not say it's true. However, you must have control over yourself to know that the relationship is not going anywhere. And what you should do, you should stop the relationship, cut it off right there. Save yourself and save your common law wife, woman, girlfriend, or what. Save her and save yourself. Too much of our females, too much of our ladies, too much of our mothers is losing their 3 point, losing their life because of what? Because you, the man, decided that, oh, it's your time to die? Where on earth do you get that power? Who give you that power to dictate when and how a person live? Control is control, manipulation is two of the roughest thing there is in a relationship. When you're in a relationship, it's two people in the relationship. Respect, love, take care of each other, fighting each other for what I don't know. And I'm going to say this. Cell phones. Cell phones become a problem in every single relationship there is on this earth. Cell phone. I remember back in the days when we didn't have cell phone and you have to wait until a girl or a guy reach home before you call them. And you know you cannot call if you listen me good. If you're giving bun or getting bun, you know your phone at your house will not ring after 5 o'clock. Let's be honest. Your phone will not ring after 5 o'clock because the woman or the man know that husband, wife, girlfriend, or whatsoever she is coming from work that time. I'm just being honest. But through the time of the cell phone, Vicious, rest in peace, my friend. Before Vicious passed away, that's a friend of ours. That's time the first cell phone come out, the brick one, the big one, look like it can put behind a car wheel and the car don't move. He says, cell phone, the world is in trouble. That's what he says before he died. And guys, I live to see the cell phone is a part of the problem to a lot of relationship. And then these guys just cannot hold it. They cannot control it because they always believe that cell phone have something in it hiding. Now, if you're in a relationship and you expect that your woman is not looking at another man or is not seeing another man or is not talking to another man, then you have a problem because a lot of men is going to talk to your woman or your wife or your girlfriend. It's up to her if she is going to allow them to pass the barrier. We have to stop what we are doing. We cannot have every week we have another woman losing their 3 points because another man believe or feel that she should die because he believed that's what should happen. We need to stop these kind of things. Something need to happen. Ladies, if you see a sign that the man have changed, if you see a sign that something isn't right, call somebody, talk to somebody. Ladies, if you in a relationship and you believe that the relationship is not working out and you feel like you need something new, don't take anything from that guy. Leave the relationship. Leave. Do not argue. Because this what happened to her. I'm not saying it couldn't have happened any other way, but sometimes walk away. Go someplace, go away, and just cut it off. Even though sometimes you do it that way and they find it. But something have to be done. And guys, I'm not going to go far in this video. I'm just bringing this information out there to you. However, I really and truly will be coming with some more of some ways and something to talk about domestic violence, because domestic violence is not a joke. It's something serious. It's on. The viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye bye. Stay safe. Be careful. Watch yourself. And if you don't love the person, if you don't want the person, leave. Leave. Please, I'm begging you guys. Ladies, if you see the red flag, don't believe you can change a guy from what he's doing. Change yourself. Move away from it. Don't try to change him, because the day you try to change him is the day you go lose your 3 points. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out. Bye-bye. Guys, hold on before we go. Remember, I am not a doctor. I am not a psychiatrist. I'm just Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, talking my truth and how I see it. I'm out. Bye.